Here I have OPPO Pad 2, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, you can change video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Then this kind of menu appears. So here in this menu you can also switch sound settings, and to start recording just tap on this red button once and it's on. So let's record some of our screen. So as you can see, this front camera view is on too. So when you're done recording, just tap on this tick icon here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called videos. And here it is. And from here you can like share, favorite, edit, delete your recording and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.